The Netherlands offers opportunities for you to work as a self-employed person, either as a freelancer, as an independent consultant, an entrepreneur with employees, or just a one-man business. So if you have a dream of working in the Netherlands as a self-employed person, stay tuned as we discuss 5 steps to become self-employed in the Netherlands. First step to becoming self-employed in the Netherlands is to define your business idea. What is it you want to do? What are you passionate about? What service or product are you seeking to provide to the market? And you need to identify this first and foremost, because that will drive the success of your business. Is this something you are skilled about, something you have a knowledge about, or something you're passionate about? Whatever it is, you have to define what kind of business, what kind of service you want to offer in the Netherlands. Step number 2 is to carry out a bit of research and document your plan on paper. A bit of business planning will help the success of your business. It doesn't have to be a robust business plan, but identifying who your target audience is, what the competition currently is in the market. Are there gaps in the market that you will likely be able to fill? What will be your unique selling proposition? At what price will you be entering the market? You also want to identify the cost that you need to start up. What will be your startup cost? What do you require? What kind of investment do you need to do in order to start up your business? Do you need some financing? Is it going to be from savings, from borrowing, from friends, or would you be approaching the bank for funds? All of this you need to pencil down in a small business plan to at least give you an idea of where you are and where you want to go. Step number 3 is to register your business with the Chamber of Commerce. In the Netherlands, the Chamber of Commerce is popularly known as KVK, and they are located in every city. So if you search online at kvk.nl, you will search for the location closest to where you live. You have to book an appointment and visit the KVK to register your business. You already would have a business name that you have researched, that name is available, and you take it for registration. And of course, it costs some money to register at the KVK. As of this moment, it is less than 80 euros, I believe, to register your business at the KVK. Once you register at the KVK, you will receive a letter of registration where your KVK number is mentioned, and also the tax office will also send you a letter informing you of your VAT registration number and notify you of your tax obligations. Step number 4 is to open a business account. Now that you have a business name, a KVK number, it is time for you to open a business bank account. I recommend that this is done right from the beginning of your business, because it helps to put all the financial records about your business under one roof. You don't want to be mixing personal things with business things. In the future, you would have a bookkeeper, or in the future, the tax office might request to go through your books. You don't want to have to give them your personal bank account where all your confidential things for personal purpose are. So you want to keep a separate bank account for the purpose of your business. Even if you are supporting your business from private savings, what you do is to transfer some money from your private account into the business account, and then make all expenses for the purpose of the business through the business bank account. If you also need credit card, get one for the business. This way it is very easy to do bookkeeping for your business, and also for tax audit it makes things easy, and that way you also don't miss out on all your expenses. But when you mix them up with private dealings, it becomes difficult to separate what is personal and what is business. As a business owner in the Netherlands, you have tax obligations. Usually you are required to make value-added tax returns as well as annual income tax returns. Value-added tax usually happen every quarter, and annual income tax will happen at the end of the year. And your bookkeeping is the source for making the tax filing process seamless. That is why I recommend that you subscribe to bookkeeping applications from the beginning. This will help you keep overview of your business activities right from the start and will make VAT filing easy. And they are so good that you can file your VAT returns from these bookkeeping softwares. And some of them do offer promotions for new businesses. You can take advantage of that. I recommend Bookkeeping a lot because they offer 15 months of free subscription for new businesses. I will leave a link on the description if you want to check them out. You register and you don't need to pay. If you are new in business as a self-employed for 15 months, you don't need to pay. But you get to enjoy all the benefits of using an accounting software in your business. So with these 5 steps, you are on your way to starting a successful self-employed business in the Netherlands. Of course, business requires effort, requires commitment, requires perseverance, and it requires consistency. You have to learn things, you have to do your marketing, you have to do networking, and all kinds of things that is associated with running a business. Whatever the case, the Netherlands is very, very supportive to entrepreneurs. So you stand a very high chance of succeeding in business if you give it your best shot. If you have not already subscribed to my channel, I invite you to do so now. Please consider subscribing and turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified when next I post another video. On the next video I'll be talking about taxes for self-employed persons in the Netherlands. So you want to be notified when that video is out. Click the screen now and watch the next video, and I will see you there.